Hurricane Iota, the very, very impressive system, the Category 5 hurricane. It is, I mean, as textbook as it gets on the satellite and radar picture here, the infrared satellite here. And it was kind of heart-wrenching waking up this morning and seeing the intensifying system that is basically taking the same track that Eta did 2 weeks ago. So our heart goes out to those in Central America dealing with another major hurricane just within 2 weeks or so. But then when you step back and look at the science, you go, okay, what can we take away from this one storm? What can we take away really from the season as a whole? Because it's hard to just pinpoint one storm and say, well, this is proof that there's something bigger happening, right? But we can look at the whole season as a whole. This is the second system in the month of November that's been a major hurricane. That's a record in itself. It's the first Greek alphabet storm to reach Category 5 status. That's a record in itself. And this one really sums up the entire year as a whole and is really, I think, a good staple and a little tidbit here to really solidify the fact that, hey, we got more energy out there in the atmosphere. We got more heat in the air. We got more heat in the ocean. That's heat is just a measure of energy. More energy just means more extremes. Basically, there's just more caffeine in the coffee. This is the 10th system, the 10th storm to rapidly intensify. Rapid intensification is when the storm increases wind speeds by 35 miles an hour in a 24-hour window. Iota did that double time. It increased 70 miles an hour in that same 24-hour window. So very impressive stuff. Basically right on top of the same exact track that Eta took just 2 weeks ago. That's the path of Eta as a Category 4. This is the forecast path of Iota, landfalling as a Category 5. So it just kind of takes you, go, whoa, whoa, whoa. A lot going on this year, and I think the past 2 weeks, the month of November, just kind of wrapping up the 2020 hurricane season in a very fitting fashion because of how active it's been, the most active on record. Let's keep it local and talk about the forecast for the day today. Our local weather is absolutely beautiful. We got nothing to worry about tropically. We got nothing to worry about weather-wise over the next 5 to 7 days or so. It's going to be beautiful this week. Beautiful day today. Upper 50s, low 60s. Looking pretty good. We'll dip down into the 50s after the sun does set, and then eventually into the 40s, upper 30s in spots come tomorrow morning. So a little bit of a chill to start our Tuesday. The breeze backs off a little bit. There is a little bit of a breeze this afternoon, but with all sunshine and barely any clouds out there, tough time finding the cloud today. Really good defense by Team Clouds. That breeze does feel pretty nice. It becomes breezy tomorrow. We got another little front that works in, secondary front, dry, no rain with it, but it's just going to reinforce some cooler air. So it'll swing in later on Tuesday. We'll notice the breeze start to pick up, and then by the time we're waking up Wednesday morning, it is a little on the chilly side, upper 30s, and then our highs on Wednesday only in the 40s.